G'day guys, and welcome back to another episode of the Weekly Mixup. Today we are making the Boulevardier. So let's get started. First step, so grab a large ice cube if you have one, drop it straight into your mixing glass. Next step is to pour 45 mils of your favourite bourbon directly into the glass. Today we're using the Maker's Mark bourbon, which is one of my favourites. Next step is to pour 30 mils of Campari straight into your glass. And the last piece of this little puzzle is to pour 30 mils of sweet vermouth directly into the mixing glass. Now this is probably one of the most important parts, is where you stir down this cocktail. It's called a long stir down, so just stir away. And that should do it. Get your Hawthorn strainer straight on top of your mixing glass, and we'll pour directly into a small martini glass. Just like that. And we are going to garnish with a cherry on one of our beautiful little garnish swords. And there you have the Boulevardier. Enjoy. If you've enjoyed this video, please subscribe, hit the notification bell so you get updated every week when we release these videos. Thanks for joining us, guys.